Welcome to this tutorial on how to insert a checkbox into your PowerPoint presentation. In this guide, you'll learn the step-by-step process to add a functional and stylish checkbox to enhance your slides. Let's begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is launched, make sure you have the correct presentation file ready. This helps you avoid making changes to the wrong document. Next, open your presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add the checkbox. Having your slide visible and ready ensures a smooth editing process. Now, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. This section contains various tools that allow you to add new elements to your presentation. Within the Insert tab, look for the Icons option and click on it. This will open a library of graphical symbols that you can use in your slides. Icons are a great way to visually represent ideas, including checkboxes. Once the Icons window appears, use the search bar and type Checkbox. This will filter the results and display different checkbox styles. Take a moment to choose one that best matches the design of your presentation. After selecting your preferred checkbox icon, click the Insert button. The checkbox will now appear on your slide, and you can move it, resize it, or position it wherever you need. If you need multiple checkboxes, you don't have to repeat the entire process. Simply copy the checkbox and paste it wherever needed. This is especially useful when creating checklists or forms within your slides. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to insert a checkbox into your PowerPoint presentation. This simple technique can make your slides more interactive, organized, and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your presentations.